Welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey, and on this channel we talk about beauty, reviews, hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, you may want to explore my channel and subscribe if you really liked it. Now without any further ado, let's get started. This is one of the videos which I really like filming, and I have been getting these random ideas, and I really want to make videos on those topics because these are the topics which no one generally talk about. So today I'm here to talk about all of these things. So yeah, by the title, this one is going to be my mini reviews of the mini products which I got free, and I bought it by my own money. So if you are interested, make sure to subscribe. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so in this video I'm not going to tell you whether these are worth for the money you pay. I mean, I'm not going to compare the full size and the small size because I don't have the full size product with me, so I really don't know the formula of the full size product. So we are not going to talk about that. But yeah, I have a couple of products. I don't have a lot, but yes, I have a couple of products, and mostly these are the products from high-end brand because let's be honest, I'm someone who cannot buy high-end product every now and then. Yes, I would really like to invest my money in a good quality foundation or a good quality setting spray, but I don't want to spend my money on a blush or on a highlighter if that is so expensive. So I hope you understand. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the products which I got free. As in, when I was buying something, I got sample size products of these particular things. So yeah, let's start one by one. Okay, now the very first thing which I got free when there was an offer on MAC Cosmetics is this. This is their strobing cream. Can you see? It is such a small size, and this is the Pink Light original one. And although you are getting 6 ml of product, so I feel 6 ml of products is lot if you really want to try out a product. And to be honest, I have been using this a lot, but still I have couple of uses out of this particular tube. So you can see this is how it looks like. I really didn't want to waste it, but then you guys deserve a swatch. That's why I'm swatching it. This is how it looks like. Yeah, I have also given you a dupe in one of my other videos, so you can definitely buy that. This is how it looks like. So definitely I enjoyed using this, and I really like it. But then will I repurchase the full size? I won't, because full size is so expensive. Might be I will get the mini, or if there is an offer you are getting this free, then you can grab it. But then I'm not going to spend my money to get this one. Although don't get me wrong, I literally love this product, but then I have a dupe for it which I have shown you. If you want to see, you can go and watch that video. So yeah, this is the first thing. So I got some things free from Smashbox. Again, these are the minis. So the first thing is this. This is the Smashbox Primer Water. Can you see how small is the size? And this is almost finished. Yes, this is almost finished. I have used it. I really like it. And yeah, that's how it looks like. This is so small. This is 5 ml. So definitely I will repurchase the full size because I really like it. So if you are someone who wants to try it, try out the sample size and then get the bigger one. But I really like it, so might be I will repurchase, or I will purchase the bigger size of this one. Now I have another thing from Smashbox, that is the primerizer. This is how it looks like. This is so small, so cute, and I like it, but then I will not spend my money getting the full size because it's like a moisturizer, guys. I mean, it's like a moisturizer. If you have any moisturizer of that sort, you can use that, a very light cream. So I liked it, but then I'm not going to purchase the full size because I feel you can use a moisturizer instead of this primerizer. And by Smashbox, this is the pore minimizer. This is a minimize pores, that is pore minimizer primer. That's what I was telling you. This is of 7 ml, I feel. Yes, and I really like it because the texture of it is really good. Let me give you a swatch of it. And many people tell this as a dupe of Benefit, but then this is also very expensive. Okay, this is how it looks like. It just vanishes in my skin in jiffy, and it is so good. Oh my god, this is really good. So if I am able to finish my e.l.f. pore minimizer primer, then I would definitely repurchase this because this is really worth it. Moving on to my next free product which I got when I shopped for one of the Becca highlighters. Again, that is a small size. I will talk about that. I got this free. This is the Becca Becca First Light priming filter instant complexion refresh. What should I tell you about this? Again, I really like it. And let me tell you how much quantity you get in this. You get 6 ml. So 6 ml is a good quantity, I feel. And again, this is very good as this gives you such a nice glow. You can see that this is much like the MAC Strobe Cream, but it is also a primer. They say it as a primer, but then it's like a strobe cream. That's what it does. But again, I would not go and buy the full size of it because it is expensive, and I have found the perfect dupe. Okay, let me show the dupe to you. This is the Sugar Illuminating Bling Highlighter. Not highlighter, moisturizer. Illuminating moisturizer. I really like this, so I don't want to get all of these instead of these because this is full size and this costs even lesser than the small size of these high-end products. Yeah, I hope you are getting what I am trying to make you understand. Next up we have by Becca. This is their Champagne Pop Highlighter. This is for 1500 and I feel this is so worth it. I bought it and I got the Becca priming filter free with it. Now I'm not able to open this. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. It is very tiny, I know, but this is the exact amount of highlighter I love using. So this is how it looks like. It is super duper good. This is how it looks like. So this is not chunky. This is so soft. I mean, this just dissolves in your skin. Let me just show you. I have done a review, by the way. This just dissolves in your skin. It is not powdery. It is very good. Although it is a little bit drier than the Maybelline highlighters. If you know how the consistency of Maybelline highlighters are. So this is a little bit drier, but then it gives the beautiful glow. It does not have any chunky particles. It is very, very good. I'm really proud of my purchase. I mean, I really like it. I am so glad that I got that, and I will not be able to finish it near future. So this is a really value for money, especially if you are getting a primer or anything else free with this product. So that's an amazing deal. Into a foundation, this is the Clinique foundation, and this is in the shade, this is Even Better Makeup's SPF 15, evens and corrects your skin tone. So this is in the shade Cashew. Now I have seen so many people talking about this foundation, that this is a really great foundation, and that's why I bought it. But I really didn't find anything great in this foundation. I mean, it's okay, it's not so great. I mean, it did break me out, so that's why I don't like it that much. And this is how it looks like. But even though I feel that for 1200 rupees you are getting 15 ml of product, which I think is a deal. It's a really good buy, because for 1200 if you are getting 15 ml of product, you should definitely check this out. Because I feel I also got the Clinique mini balm free. I will talk about that at the end. So yeah, so that's how it looks like. I really like it, so definitely I would recommend it. But as a foundation, I don't like it that much on my skin. But if you are someone who wants to try it, definitely you can buy the mini size. Talking about the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, I don't have it right now because I have used it completely. That is one of my favorite. But I have seen people saying that it isn't plastic positive. So I don't know if I should continue using that, because I have seen people talking about it because it has harmful effects on the environment. But I really like it. It is better than the Plum makeup remover. So because that is so emollient, whenever you apply on your face now, it just breaks down your makeup flawlessly. It just makes your skin look so good. I mean, it takes off the makeup really nicely. So I really recommend you getting the foundation when you are getting something free, especially the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm free. So highly recommend. Anyway, we are talking about cleansing balm. So I really want to talk about this. This is again a sample size by Pure by Priyanka. I got it free when I got 2 of their products. Although I have reviewed them, so you can go and check my review. This is how it looks like. I have used it once, but I haven't seen a great difference. So this is, let me tell you, this is their anti-tan powder face mask. So I did not see a lot of difference, but might be, let's see if it works for me. So I don't like getting these type of samples. If you are giving me a sample, give me some cream, or give me at least something which is, give me the option to choose. So that's the bummer. So I did not like that face mask that much. Now moving towards the lip products, the very first thing which I have is this. This is the Too Faced Extreme in Lip Injection, and I like it. I mean, I won't lie. I just want to apply a little bit. It does work, guys. I mean, it does tingle my. Smells like strawberries, and it does have that tingly sort of thing which makes your lip look fuller. It does have that. I have reviewed it completely. You can go and have a look on that video. So this retails for somewhere around 1100 or 11 or 1200 or 1000 rupees. Don't remember the price exactly. And this has 1.5 grams of product. Now if you're someone who really want to get a product like this, you can try this, because this really works, but it just works for 10 minutes. After that your lips will become the same. So it's up to you if you want to get it. I don't regret getting it because I really like it. Sometimes when I really want that effect on my lips, because it can also work as a gloss, non-sticky gloss, so I love using this. So according to me, it is value for money. Now I have 3 lipsticks. One is from Nykaa. This is their mini lipsticks. Now Nykaa lipsticks are good, the liquid lipsticks, but I know there are many people who don't like their liquid lipsticks, but I really like it. My only suggestion to you guys is that if you want to buy a shade, buy the smaller one first, try it on, and then see if that works for you, and then get it. And I really like the smaller one, so for me these are good. You can get the nude shades because they have plethora of nude shades, so you can get a nude shade for yourself. Moving forward, I have one by Ofra Cosmetics. This was the set of 4 mini lipsticks, and this is in the shade Milan. What a great shade is this. Yeah, this is dried up because I have been using this shade in particular. This looks so pretty, and the set is worth it because you get 4 lipsticks, and I feel this is a great way of trying out high-end lipsticks. And the last one I have are the Smashbox Duo, which the Duo you get, and this is in the shade, I think this is Stepping Out. Yes, this is Stepping Out. See, I remember the name. And this is how it looks like. Although it is going to dry out. Yeah, I can feel the tingly sensation now. I really love the lipstick. Like, mini lipsticks are the way to try out new brands or new shades. And as you can see, like, the gloss is working on my lips, it is giving me that tingly sensation. I have used the e.l.f. one, and also some some local brands like Ticey, but none of them makes my lips like this, because the lip injection is really good. I mean, you should definitely try this once. Yeah guys, I think I have reviewed all the products which I had. Let me know if you guys liked it, and let me know which all products you have and you like using, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Bye bye.